In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wise account, whether you're looking to manage personal finances or streamline business transactions. Let's dive right into it. The first step involves choosing your account type. Now, this may seem straightforward, but it's a crucial decision that will influence how you use Wise. You have two options: personal or business. If you're signing up for a personal account, this is where you'll be managing your individual financial needs. When you begin the registration process on the Wise website or through their mobile app, you'll be prompted to input your legal name. This is important, as it'll help verify your identity and ensure compliance with regulations. You'll also need to provide your date of birth, which is another essential piece of information that Wise uses to protect your account. Moreover, you'll be asked to fill in your address and phone number. This helps Wise connect with you and is necessary for account verification. On the other hand, if you're setting up a business account, there are additional details you'll need to keep in mind. Business accounts are designed to handle transactions for your organization's needs and may offer specific features that differ from personal accounts. To get started, you'll begin by entering your business registration address. This should be the official address where your business operates or is registered, as it's an integral part of your business's identity. Next, you'll need to provide a tax ID. The tax ID is a unique identifier assigned to your business by your government for tax purposes, and it's crucial for ensuring that your transactions are compliant with local tax laws. Additionally, you may need to supply some further details about your organization, which could include information about your business type and structure. As you go through this setup process, remember that Wise has made it quite user-friendly, so guidance will be provided along the way to help you each step of the journey. It's always a good idea to have your necessary documents and information at hand before you begin, as this will make the registration process smoother and quicker. Whether you're setting up a personal or business account, one tip to keep in mind is to double-check all the information you enter to ensure its accuracy. This not only helps avoid any hiccups during the verification process, but also ensures that your Wise account functions seamlessly once it's set up. So, that's the basic walkthrough of getting your Wise account up and running. By taking the time to accurately select and set up your account type, you're laying a solid foundation for using Wise to handle transfers, payments, and other financial tasks effectively. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps make your Wise account setup a breeze.